Hello my friends, and welcome to this video about the Altis Audio CDT-1 transport. Very unusual unit. It is a top loader, and this thing, it doesn't have a cover, it just comes up like that. The cover on the sort of, you know, covers, so to speak, the internals. But what we have here is a CDM-1 Mk2, but in some of those units, and one is coming to me from Malaysia soon, it will have CDM4/28, which is a very rare unit. But as we all know, CDM-1 Mk2 is just a Japanese version of Japanese naming of CDM4, but with metal chassis, and that certainly is a metal chassis. Now, what is very interesting about it is that there's nothing here at all to say if the CD is in and out. You know, it's normally in top loaders you have some kind of a drawer which triggers a limit switch. Nothing of that sort here. I originally thought that these were the slots there, but, well, don't recall seeing anything out of ordinary. So you just put the pack on and press play. Thinks for a while and then starts spinning a CD. So we'll go to the second one, and that's the display there. Now, what can I tell you about it? I don't really know that much. Comes with its power supply, so what arrives on the main board is already low voltage, and of course this apparently is very easy to convert from 110 to 240. Let me turn that down a bit. And the spring is coming. You see mozzies. I live by the lake Joondalup, and then they've started coming in. As you see, there's nothing sort of usual. I've never seen that sort of chipset. DSD 8744, DSD 9118, two unknown chips because they have heat sinks, and I suppose that's the shaper. What's interesting is that there are 3 crystals there, so some clever things must happen here. It's certainly not a orthodox design. If anybody knows a bit more about it, please let me know. The only thing I've done it other than cleaning the lens was to replace that capacitor, and it was very, very leaky. The player still worked, but you know, I replaced these on site. It had 17 ohms on my ESR meter, equivalent series resistance meter. So that's all, my friends. It reads absolutely anything. You know, it on my severe test disc, it reads 2.5 millimeter interruption in data layer and 1.9 millimeter on painted on surface, like a dot painted on the surface of the CD. So the Redbook standard is only 0.9, so that's an excellent result. Well, that's all, and till the next one. Bye bye.